What's the meaning of compound eye? Compound eye. Compound eye.
Compound eye. Compound eye. A compound eye is an organ found in many insects and crustaceans that consists of numerous photoreceptor units called ommatidia. Each ommatidium contains a lens, a cluster of light-sensitive cells, and an optic nerve fiber. The composite image formed by the ommatidia allows for a wide field of view, motion detection, and depth perception. This type of eye is particularly advantageous for small, fast-moving organisms because it allows them to quickly detect and respond to their environment.